Hello and welcome back with another video. In this video we will try to simplify this numerical problem. So let's begin. Solution steps for this problem. So first of all we will write our problem x over y under root plus y over under root x, which is equal to 10 by 3, and x plus y is equal to 10. We need to find xy value. So first we will do LCM. Least common multiple. So when we will take LCM, under root y dot under root x will be LCM. Under root y will be cancelled with under root y. We have under root x multiplied by under root x. Similarly, under root x will be cancelled. Under root y will be multiplied with under root y. Now we have under root x, which is equal to x raised to the power 1 by 2. If it will be multiplied by x raised to the power will be added up, LCM will be taken, so 2 divided by 2, x will be the answer, this one. So x comes out of here plus y divided by under root x dot under root y is equal to 10 by 3. So we will put x plus y is equal to 10. So when we will put, this becomes 10 divided by under root x dot under root y is equal to 3. So if we cross multiply, 10 will be multiplied on this side and under root x under root y will be multiplied on this side. So this 10 will be calculated, cancelled. Now in order to get rid of square root, take square on both sides. When we will take squares, this will become 3 square x dot y square root. This will become 9 and x dot y will give us answer 9. Under root x is equal to x raised to the power 1 by 2. It will be multiplied by the square, then x will be answer. Same in the case of y. So that's all, how to simplify such equations and find the value of xy using simplification procedure. So that's all from this video, and thank you very much, and follow for more.